esukari kurwa seche company au obusi bw'ingano amavuta y'icingeni kurwa seche company au amajani kurwa seche company lya Keteba echumbi ya Kensalt egati bintu binde binge wigo mkonya bali chirangiche company ya Crown asibego bakonya amabati kurwa seche company ya MRM aywali ayechi size au nabego ni chirangi au mkonya bali black sheet egati bintu binde binge inyuranga mbabwa tobokoreri obu yabunabono uyabo bosombi gose transportation mbabwa tobokoreri wa forklift asibego bokoreri bwa which customer care buri obu ibirengo bigoro totigara magega agirira rero bwikumbolere bintu biga aserigurira mu buko asamange totalere asinsemo cha Ouru complex eyuerange na magacho asafaricom hoigo no tukutuka sakro ku JM Towers ange na credit bank ime yomucho bosongo bakere simgwetra seti namba chabo 0111 161 500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Tariki ya 30 rituko eriga ria Alhamisi na ukwandiria nonsa soro mwancho murigereria Getembe TV. Karibu sana Ekeonga, Chinsa, Isano na Ibere na nche Matildah Obaigwa mutandao Facebook no YouTube masemo na Getembe TV uchake Ekeonga kurase kaunti ya Nyamira nigobono mate yomungna nyagusira jenike muntu miregwa oyibono sireti obugima bwaye kubwatikana no gusambwa okuko kagere koba ogwe acid ase nyumba yaye yoburaro gutoka se ekenyoro kya nyankono yogutoka ime wadi ya Mikenene ebunge ya burabo se county yo ononigo mate yo yanyare wesokia na kugania kumanya oboene kubwatikana na makweli yayo yobururo nayo nigo bakoya kwanira magega yo kwene kibuna makweli abiriga kwene kiwasi Chinsemecho wikira omo orindi obo gose watchman na wigo no nyumuga ka winki yo nyarete gusira sobutuki butaranyara gukorekana kumanya ninki kirire abamenye benke yo bagusirenchira buneyo
gaki amang'ana aya na mabigaki ni vila hatuna uwezo ama ni nini umuntu uri ogokorete igintu keria itinki ari mwathani omorogi ngira inu nabagusi ari mwathani omorogi naenda mentete bintu geteti maitimbirebi kwa sababu kisha okorora anti na strain tibuna bato tebetia bamonyorete akichomeka na bokora alikuwa ameshika mikono hivi okorora ngo straga alenge maybe kama walikuwa na nyonga naende we were like abagambi mbara polisi nere moina mbaigwete kende neba no enanti ochire kongetwa na kurete
kama ati yani ntukwanite nene tukakwanere simi nguya renge bona lingo cha wake simi no mwana oya Esther ngaye baba nyoka gota cheni omuntu tayo korwa butimanyeti na ntimanyeti kinda tebe bona go tukumetie nonya no yokore twebi nyasa ore igoro ntafini
ase ngencho korwe kisa kya kabeta iga cheni tarenga ase kisa wana cheni omuntu tingo manyanga no mugondo ba omoita mugondo yo moita ne chinyombe chi abana ba akinobe tosomia abana ba onya sawo yotoire chinguru abana bacha baturusi ase mechana cheni omuntu taiya nero mai torenge ntu mama nero tomai totebi mechanda yaito nero otigetu bona nero isa ya tigete sagune isina baere tugegete na tata
twatakere tware barasa on Monday kiara konyoro montos uituru ase omochioyo magaro yo togetaria geita lakirende kingo chigocha ngwakirwe simi ng'a nainde omonginora osambirwe ekiara erio kiria tokweteri korekana korwa se bedroom yaye twachigoye karen tokanyara confirm ngoituru to one arrest ya med bono monto na be crime uchunguzi kaendete kupainisha maneno.
Nekiro ikiombe gitenenerete obochori ne chimbebe aiga sensi ya Kenya gya IEBC kigenderete kweroberia kigima asobochori obonene bwo mwaka bw'echiribu 2025 nigo munyakiro gwo kiombe kyo Erastus Edung Ethekon asensemo yaye anyarire koerera gochesa Kenya na gotebuna tibaguchigosieka chinjira chobwererani ase kusichinga kyobochori na satebure buna nigo bagenderete kwaneke buna serikali yanyare kubeka chibesa Chisaine asogocha kwaneke buna mangana yobwererani bwa mangana igoro yobochori anyarire goikerana nabo igo hasi batebure no bwasioku webirengo byegoro nigo bono bukagire gose nigo barigetie kwaneke buno bwasioku webirengo byegoro bwanyarire goikiranirwa ase obochori obo.
And in our engagement with the Parliament and Treasury, we are saying IDC requires money or funding for us to engage with stakeholders, for us to invest in communication, both getting the gadgets, getting the right people to run our communication, so that at any particular time, we're able to give Kenyans the correct information and to clarify certain information that may not be true that are likely to affect the ability of the Commission to discharge its mandate, which is to conduct elections, supervise elections, and of course referenda. So it's in that respect that we are saying, as we move towards 2027, we will improve our capacity to communicate, our abilities to communicate. We will invest in the right tools. We will invest in the right personnel. But also, as a cost-saving measure, we will also, that's why we partnered with the Media Sector Working Group, which brings together the Kenya Union of Journalists and the Editors Guild and the media owners. So through that kind of partnership, we would be able to disseminate the correct information at the correct time to Kenyans. And so we believe we will continue partnering with the media, even during our elections.
Na umoncho muligiriria kero ereri tuko ria kabere kurwa abateresa gose nurses Kisii county oimens ya Kenya bono bachagite omugiro nigo bono igati yabo banyarire kwerera buna serikali nigo ekoba gikobombia kurinde bagokora emirimo ereye ngencho asibatebire na guika banyarire gukora chinkwa na chiri chabene na bwekoneke buna engeri yabo yanyarire koikirana sichinga kichiria chibwenerete na boigo bali bagokora emiro biri gose bagokora emirimo insi serikali Kisii county abangi babiri bakora imirimo ase contract bono banyare kurikwa emirimo yabo boikerano asabatebire bono tibarigetie kwirana emirimo nye serikali terabaigwa.
Toiling and breaking your bones. They call you the backbone of health sector. But I want to tell them, you are not only a backbone of health sector, you are the heartbeat of health sector. Today, there is no service. Why? Because the heartbeat is not functioning. And we are telling them, if you are only concerned about our numbers when we are giving service, and when it comes to compensation, our numbers is mind-boggling, then continue with your mind that is being boggled. And we are saying the risk compensation should not be pegged on title. A doctor should not get that risk compensated higher than any other person because of the title, the professional title. A nurse makes critical and crucial decisions which are risk. Risk is also equal to the duration of contact with risk factors, the infection. And our justifications and arguments are very mature. We are saying, so long as I'm still, as a nurse, going to stay in risky areas, interacting with infections for 24 hours in a day, we are going to be paid better risk than any other person. Yes. So long as...
Na humoncho murigiriri gati ya barae kurase kema gia ODM bakora wa muraibu ikiama ikio museneta Oburu Odinga nigo bagenderire gusingira buna ikiama gia ODM tigiko chikomerwa ne serikali ya Muske William Ruto ase batebre buna nonye asobochori bunene burakorekana umwaka ugucha nigo bono baranyara gutwara ukwigwana kwa bene n'ikiama keri kia UDA asatebre buna bari guchikonererwa nonya bange babire bakoira buna ikiama ikio nigo giasirire oburoso.
The policies of ODM must be very clear and must be reflected in the manifesto of the next government. And some of you said ODM cannot be swallowed. We are not going to allow our party to be swallowed. Our party will be distinct. We shall continue to be one as ODM, and we shall come out of this affair much stronger than what we were. When Moi thought he had swallowed us and we killed our party, and we killed our party, NDP, we came out much stronger in LDP. And therefore, we cannot be swallowed. If anybody is thinking of that, that person is daydreaming. And I want you people in Turkana to know that when we are going to negotiate now on a political platform, we are going to negotiate something called zoning. It is not just resources, it is also strategy. Resources, you can throw money at people, and you throw it at people and you don't win. Wao wananchi watakula, watasema nini chakula kwa huyu, lakini kura kwa huyu.
Na ase siasa che kiama kia DCP muraibu kiama kio Muske Rigathi Gachagua nigo bono anyarire kuigirira kiama kio na gutebuna nigo kia chakire gutwara munguso kigima asaba bwatani bo rugongo rwa Mount Kenya aigani gakuya kwana chingaki omo governor omuske kiaria badilisha nyarete gose ase kiama kio magega yo gututarare kiama kia UDA ase omuske Rigathi Gachagua agenderire gutebuna nigo rugongo rwa Mount Kenya rwensi rogendete gotera guseria serikali ya rabisi nabwo gukurigia oburai obuya ase amatuko arebosio.
Junet Mohamed amesema walipewa pesa wanifukuze. Jalango jana amesema walipewa pesa wanifukuze. Kila mtu walijua, lakini wameanza kusema. And we are asking our courts, our judges, to take judicial notice of what these people are saying, because they live in this country. Beef wanasema hadharani walihongwa kutufukuza kwa ofisi, then the judges must dispense justice. Kama huyu gavana angetembea na mimi 2 years ago, angekuwa amemfunga na kumwekelea makesi ya uongo, si ndio? The same with the governor wa Kiambu, the same with the governor wa Murang'a. So mimi nilielewa, na hao magavana tukaongea quietly, nikaambia nyinyi, bora hampigi sisi na hamusaliti jamii, fanyeni akikamatwa tu tufunge barabara zote and bring Nyandarua to a standstill and bring the rest of the mountain to a standstill as well as Nairobi. Hata nani akija hatuwezi wachana. Na mimi nataka kuomba jamii ya Wasomali, Aden Duale asitumiwe na William Ruto kuunganisha nyinyi na business partners yenu, kwa sababu Ruto akienda lazima tuendelee na biashara.
I'm here na sirudi nyuma, kwa sababu nyinyi mumeongea. Watu wa Nyandarua wameongea, na wameongea kwa sauti kubwa.
Murigereria bunongo kuri Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere kwa Matildah Obaigwa murobere gwa asembeo vibes on vibes gendera gutwara burigererio bya kuri studio ya kabere nere Eugene gendete okwanekere chibicha na Mario gya sobo ikeranu na boigo gendera gutubwatia se mitandao yetu yekerero sogotonyoro muna Getembe TV twara mugasomia.
Asama liete ngorwa James Barale Nyakundi, principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College, liye gotoka Limongoni, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Kitutu Masaba Technical College ya serikali, ejia kwa